In this video we look at getting you set up with the Tampermonkey browser extension specifically to scroll the HubPages earnings history page to view the most recent earnings. Tampermonkey is a widely used browser extension available for Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera Next, and Firefox. It enables users to customize and enhance the functionality of web pages through small JavaScript programs called userscripts. These userscripts can add new features or modify existing ones on any visited website. Tampermonkey facilitates the creation, management, and execution of userscripts, allowing users to, for instance, add buttons for quick social media sharing or automate form filling. It is particularly valuable in the digital age where web pages serve as interfaces for various services. Moreover, Tampermonkey simplifies the discovery and installation of user scripts created by others, offering a vast library of customizations without the need for extensive coding. You can add Tampermonkey to your browser by looking up the site online or by searching for add-ons within your browser. View Tampermonkey options by clicking on the extension's icon. Click on Create a new script. Look for the link that is posted in the YouTube subscription to find your way to the Google Drive where the scroll-down userscript is located. Copy the script and navigate back to the new script page. Paste your script directly over the default script and save. At this point, you should be able to refresh your browser and the page will shift down to show your most recent earnings data. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to check out tutorials on my channel or find the link to my TurboFuture profile where you can view my articles or contact me.